Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil maintenance light on a Honda Civic. So we're just going to go ahead and start this up. And we're going to be paying attention right up here. And it says service due, A1 for oil. And at the left side of the steering wheel, we've got this info button, and we're going to use the source button here as OK, and the little arrows. So it says to hit the I button. And we're going to go to menu and go up to vehicle information, maintenance info, and we're going to hit yes for oil. I'm going to reset that, and if you scroll down, you could reset the filter and the tires as well.